When I teach new inspectors, I tell them, there's a tool that you should buy. And one's like, well, a good flashlight, a GFCI tester? Nope, a hammer. Buy a really good hammer and then smash your TV. You don't have to actually do it, but smash your TV. Let's figure out why. Why would you smash your TV?
Spend 1 hour a night on your business. One of the things that my brother Nick, founder of InternetG, has said, one of the best things that you can do for your business is to buy a hammer and smash your TV. Spend 1 hour a night on your business. If you think about it, if I spend 1 hour a night, that's 5 nights, 5 hours per week, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 20 hours a month. By the end of 1 year, if I spend 1 hour, 5 days a week, instead of watching TV, 1 hour, 240 hours is 6 weeks. It's like having another employee work 6 weeks on marketing. I'm ahead of my competition. If I do that and my competitor doesn't, and I know they're not, they're watching TV. They're watching their favorite TV show. I love Netflix. I hope all my competitors are subscribers of all those shows and watch a lot of movies and TVs. And I love my competitors when grown men playing games. I love grown men playing games that are my competitors because I'm going to crush them in the market, right? Because they're wasting their time, and I'm going to do, at the end of 1 year, 6 weeks of marketing strategy and implementation to beat them. And they won't know what's happening because they'll be busy watching their TV, right? They didn't smash their TV, I did. You have to think about your time. It's the most precious thing you do. And marketing.
And there's always marketing to do. So the moral to the story is, like, if you are in business, then you are really in business. You are responsible for the success and failure of your work. And if you just take, maybe not an hour, let's go 15 minutes. Right now I'm learning how to play an instrument. And the trick is to do 15 to 30 minutes every night. Every night. And at the end of 5 years, I should be really good. But for home inspections and running a business, I know it takes about a year, maybe 2. You're in this for the long haul. It's going to take you a while to become very good at performing inspections, and it's going to take you a long time to become an excellent business owner and be highly successful. But it's not going to take a year. I mean, that phone can ring today if you are certified through InternetG and you have your presence listed and open to the public into our search engines. Your phone could ring today. Are you ready? What if it doesn't ring? You still have to go to work and you have to market. And sometimes it's more than an 8-hour day. Sometimes it's a 10-hour day, 5 days a week, 6 days a week. I personally know that because that's what I did. I invested that amount of time. I risked a lot, but I was also able to balance. You got to balance your work life and your personal life. And when I was building a home inspection company that was highly successful, I was actually, I went from being single to being a husband and a father of 3. So it's possible. So I'm the example, and I'm giving you advice because I went through it. So these tips and tricks, I don't know if you can call them tricks, because trick is the wrong phrase, but it's like a proven competitive advantage strategy. So what we're telling you in this masterclass actually worked. I'm not just guessing on these things. We're not just here throwing out a bunch of ideas and hoping you can catch some of them and make it work maybe. There's no big roll of the dice here. There aren't any chances or low probabilities that any of this will work. This is the best of the best. So you have to think of yourself as invested in this. And what are you going to do? Be really focused and engaged on the thing that's going to make your life amazing, Or are you going to play games, video games? You know, you can play video games and have fun. And, I play cards with my kids and friends come over and all that stuff. Have fun. Remember, it's the balance. But seriously, you need to do more than most. You don't have a good job employed by somebody. You're on your own. And your goal is to employ others. So to get to that point, you have to do extra work. To master your domain, you have to be a master of everything. And being really good, there's no, what is it called when you watch a TV show from beginning to end, maybe binging. There's no binging on Netflix. You're binging on your home inspection business. So it's a metaphor, right? You get a hammer and smash your TV.